Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Blackbaud Nonprofit CRM Review My Usage Experience. Blackbaud Nonprofit CRM Review My Usage Experience offers a detailed examination and personal account of using Blackbaud CRM software for nonprofit organizations. It's targeted towards nonprofit managers, fundraisers, and anyone involved in managing donor relationships and organizational data. Key features likely include contact management, donation tracking, fundraising campaign management, and reporting tools. Their website provides details on the full feature set. Blackbaud's position in the market is that of a robust, feature-rich solution for nonprofits of varying sizes. Their website emphasizes its scalability and the depth of its functionalities. While pricing isn't explicitly mentioned on their main page, it's likely tailored to organizational needs and likely requires a sales consultation. They focus on providing a comprehensive solution rather than a simple, inexpensive alternative. The technology leverages a cloud-based infrastructure, although specific details aren't readily available without deeper exploration of their offerings. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Blackbaud Nonprofit CRM Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was relatively straightforward. The initial setup was a bit involved, requiring some time to configure the different modules and import our existing donor data, but their online help resources were surprisingly helpful. Navigating the interface was initially a bit daunting. It's a powerful system with many features, so the learning curve is definitely there. However, once I got the hang of it, I found the contact management tools incredibly efficient. For instance, creating segmented email campaigns for targeted fundraising efforts was incredibly easy once I understood the database structure. Performance was generally good. The system handled a large volume of contacts and transactions without significant lag. I had a quick question about customizing reports and their support responded within 2 days via email. The response was detailed and accurate. I was really impressed by how comprehensive the reporting tools were. The ability to visualize donation trends and identify top donors was invaluable. One minor drawback was the slightly steep learning curve and the somewhat clunky interface when compared to some more modern CRMs. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Blackbaud CRM. While it has a few quirks, and it definitely takes some time to learn, it generally met my needs and provided valuable insights into our donor relationships. That's my overview of Blackbaud Nonprofit CRM Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.